So starting the test drive in this V6 Tacoma, certainly this was traded in with, again, 416,000 and some change in terms of mileage. And it's definitely showing that. Needs a few things fixed, but we're gonna try and drive it anyway. But certainly feeling vibration throughout the truck. Nothing out of the ordinary. I just have the ABS light on, the brake light on, so there could be a caliper sticking or something like that. And the check engine light is on as well. But we're gonna give it a little throttle. And the engine and transmission still seem to be in pretty good shape, just in terms of how they're operating, getting up to speed here. And again, with this kind of mileage, and with it being about 15 years old with this kind of mileage, brake hardware could be an issue here, suspension could be an issue. I don't even know if the cruise will work because of the brake. But honestly, coming down the interstate here, the ride is not bad at all, even with all this going on. And wind noise is not overly intrusive. I do have the AC vents on full blast just because it's extremely hot and humid out here in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. And while I'm at it, I want to give a huge shout out to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to do this test drive today. Definitely, it's nice to be able to get behind the wheel of something like this and kind of see what's still working, what needs to be fixed, what starts to age over time. And I think it's just kind of neat to see a truck with this many miles. I don't think I've ever been in a vehicle with this many miles on it, honestly. So there's a fun fact for you. But again, other than the brakes, what's crazy is this drives like it should. Yeah, this powertrain is just, it's so reliable. Again, this drives like any other Tacoma with this powertrain. It doesn't feel any different. It doesn't feel any more sluggish or anything. Everything from the shifts to the power you're getting from the engine, you still have everything. Not hearing any misfires or nothing. Again, very, very impressed by how this is held up. And that just goes to show why these hold their value so well. Most vehicles, you get them with 200,000 miles on them and you pretty much got, who knows, until you have to replace an engine, replace the transmission, replace something expensive. But again, this is done 416,000 miles, still ticking. And I lied about the cruise control. I couldn't see the light on, but it is still working. So that's good. Couldn't see that light. Now some of these lights and a lot of stuff are gonna get dim, maybe even be out, just because the vehicle's older and they've been used so long. The check engine lights on Toyota, I feel like purposely they make sure that those will never go out, because you can drive these things till the wheels fall off and your check engine light will be on, but it'll be nothing crucial to your everyday driving experience. Like I have a 2004 Tundra, I think I said that earlier, and that has 207,000 miles on it, check engine lights on, but since emissions are no longer in this county, not really an issue, and it's not like it needs a converter or anything. It just, emission controls are usually what cause those to come on, because I had it in my 07 Tundra as well. So probably not a big deal, whatever reason this check engine light is on. But again, can't say enough how impressed I am with how this truck is held up. But this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2008 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road.